way. Ready? Oh, that shit's gonna hurt.
Ready?
Come on. Up high. Stop! Come on! Oh, that sucked! That wasn't even 4 or 5 seconds. Yeah, it was. That was. Please stop.
It's done.
We don't need to. Let's clean this up. Let me shock me anymore, please.
Okay, hold
We're not going.
Battery's out. Yeah, battery's out.
Man, you got a shock.
That was about $30. Hey, you only get half the money. You only get half.
Hey, Sergeant Stacker, how'd it feel?
Oh, that was the best. Oh, Cop's got it made.
Hold on. Let me turn around. Turn
That's
around.
just in my spine.
Hold on. Turn around.
Johnson, your spine?
I don't know. I'm gonna rip it out. It's gonna hurt. Don't rip it. Please, you do that shit. What do you mean? There's only one way you can do it. It's pull it out. That one didn't even get
Hey, they'll just yank it out
That's
real
only
quick.
fucking about $25.
The barb isn't shit, though.
That's better than what Salik did, though.
Yeah, I know.
Because he, like, let it...
But Salik said, I don't care. All right, do it.
Yeah, but he got shot in the back, man. That's all.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Did it hurt more? You gotta get the one.
Here, the other one.
Actually, the one in the ass ain't in the ass.
Come on, man.
No, that's...
There.
Stop, come on.
Dude, he locked up, though.
He went like this.
Here's the hook.